Hello! And welcome to Finland!
My name is Anna.
And I am Janina. In this series, we will tell you what to do and where to go in Finland.
Now we are in the beautiful capital, Helsinki.
And now we will show you the most famous place in Helsinki, the cathedral.
The cathedral was built in the history.
Yes.
And it is white.
Yes. But the most famous thing about the cathedral is the steps. In the summer, the people go and sit in the steps and have picnic. But I have to tell you that this is very dangerous.
Dangerous.
Because when you have the food, the seakulli will come.
The seakulli is the most dangerous thief in Finland.
Yes. In the Finland, the thief not only come from the town, also come from the up.
The seakulli is like Batman. And now we will go to the most dangerous place in Helsinki. Kauppatori. See you there.
We have come to the Kauppatori. This is the most dangerous place in the Helsinki.
And you should always wear a body armor, because you never know where or when you can get a white surprise, because the seakulli will always come.
But the one good thing about the Kauppatori is that you can take the ferry to the Iceland.
Sillä Islantiin pääsee.
Miten se sitten lausutaan?
Ässää sanota siinä. Island.
To the Finland Castle.
And the next time we will go to the place where the rich man live. Bye bye!
I ask you a question. Why do you eat the people food when you are no people?